publicity regarding our policies, our principles, our spirituality, transparency into the political area. It is very strange that in Andhra and Karnataka we have crossed more than 10 lakh votes. You know that? It's not a simple thing. People laughed at us long back, they are taking us more seriously. Okay? And we are very serious. Don't underestimate Patrici. He is a silent worker. We are in a silent revolution. Okay? ಮೌನ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಬೆಳೆದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. Because we are not going to media. We are not going and begging in front of the media. Please run. Okay? We have never gone to media. Media has not approached us. So we are only working silently on word of mouth. Understand? The best is the word of mouth. It is not impressing upon people through media.